All right, it's starting to get towards the end of the semester, so much of the work that we do at this point won't necessarily be introducing new material, but to refine some of the material that we've already discussed. So one of the chapters for this week will be on the apostrophes. I believe that's chapter 18. I had a pretty good glare there when I took this picture. So again, this should be some review. There's the issue of the contraction. And you'll see some of those examples. And also this idea of showing where something is missing. Or something that is possessive. And so you can see some of those other examples there for you as well. There are additional examples throughout the chapter, but you are going to be responsible for doing some editing on test 3. Sorry for the strange picture on that one too. It looks like it was folded just a little bit there. And so in each group below, one sentence uses apostrophes correctly. So this is going to require you to really look at each sentence because maybe they've only made a single change in each one. So parts of the sentence will be correct and parts of it will not. So if we take a look at the sentences for number 1, we have Trudy's grades, so apostrophe S, so that would mean Trudy owns her grades. That's a possessive form. We have won't, which is the contraction for will not, get her into any of the colleges she's chosen. So colleges, apostrophe S, would imply possession, but the college can't own she, so that apostrophe there would be incorrect. And then she is for she is. So in this case, we have 4 different uses of the apostrophe. One of them is incorrect, so because that's the case, A is not going to be our answer. So essentially we're going to do that for each one. And there's a bit of a trick here is that I know that this is my incorrect one, and you notice the sentence right below it also has it, so which means that it's still incorrect here, and then look at what happened also in choice B. They got rid of the apostrophe here, which I needed in order to talk about Trudy's grades, and they moved that apostrophe to the word grades, which would never go there. That's just simple plural with no need. So this one's going to be tricky because you want to pay close attention, and this is why we want to refine these editing skills that we've practiced. So if you haven't guessed it, C is going to be our correct choice. So we have Trudy's grades. Trudy owns her grades. So all of that looks good. Won't is still okay, contraction for will not. Colleges, more than one, simple plural, no need for an apostrophe. And then, of course, we have our she is still here. So you would choose C as your answer for number 1. So be really careful as you look through these because they look so similar and there's going to be minor changes in each one. So this will be due by Thursday night. Good luck.